Now second question. Okay, we have to find product first, and then using the product we have to solve the equations. Okay, so let's find the product first. Now AB is equal to, we have to find AB first. We are having now minus 4 plus 4 plus 8. Then first row, second column, 4 minus 8 plus 4, and then last we are having minus 4 minus 8 plus 12. Okay. Now second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So minus 7 with 1. Now minus 7 plus 1 plus 6. Then we are having 7 minus 2 plus 3. And finally we are having for this part is minus 7 minus 2 plus 9. Then third row, first column, second column, third column. Now 5 with 1, 5. So we are having 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Then minus 1 with 1 minus 1. And finally 5 plus 6 minus 3. Okay. So now what AB is? This was a product. Now AB is equal to minus 4 plus 4, 8. 8, 0, 0. 0, 8, 0. 0, 0, 8. Okay. So AB is equal to now 8 with identity matrix for order 3. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, here we get AB is equal to 8i now. AB is equal to 8 with identity matrix. You can write here 3 also, or you can leave it. Okay. So AB product got 8 with the identity matrix. Now let's write equations in the matrix form. First coefficients of the equations. Okay. So now we are having 1 minus 1 1. Then x is equal to, we are having x y z. Okay. Second is 1 minus 2 and 2 1 and 3, and here c is equal to 4 9 and 1. Now why I have not written what this is? We have to just check it either it is A or B. Now this is B, so we will be writing here B is equal to. Okay, you will be writing like this. Now you will be writing what exactly is given, either A or B. So we are having B. Now what it becomes? Bx is equal to C and x is equal to B inverse C. So from the product now we have to find B inverse, not A inverse, now B inverse. Now A B inverse is equal to 8 B inverse. Now this becomes identity matrix. B inverse is equal to 1 upon 8 with A. Okay. Now here in place of B inverse we have to put 1 upon 8 A. Okay. Now we are having x is equal to 1 upon 8 A with C. Okay. So now let's solve it for finding x. Okay. Now we are having x is equal to 1 upon 8 with A. Now A is what? Minus 4, 4, 4. Then minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. With C, 4, 9, 1. Now x is equal to 1 upon 8. Now let's find the product for minus 4, 4 and 4. Now what we are getting? Minus 4 with 4, minus 16 plus 36 plus 4. Then we are having minus 28 plus 9 plus 3. And then we are having 20 minus 27 minus 1. 20 minus 27 minus 1. Okay. So what x is equal to now? X is equal to 1 upon 8 with minus 16 plus 36 plus 4. 36 plus 4, 40 minus 16, we are having 24 minus 16 minus 8. Okay. So x is equal to now, x is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 1. Now x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, z is equal to minus 1. So these are the answers now. According to us, these are the answers. Now let's verify. Now let's verify. For the verification, we are having 3 minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. Putting here x is equal to 3. I am doing here. And you are not supposed to do like this verification. Verification will be on the rough side. Okay. So 3, then minus 2, 3 plus 2 and minus 1. So this is 4. We are getting 4 here. Okay. Good. Then we are having again for the second equation 3. Then minus with minus plus 4. Minus 2 with minus 1 plus 2. So this is 3 plus 4 plus 7, 9. Okay. So good. Verification is okay. So it means we are having right answers. Okay. So this is for the product when A and B are given.